What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be on my CBR 650R. It's finally warm enough to ride. So I've kind of talked about a little bit of the stuff I've done on this bike so far. The only really thing I have are the frame sliders, the exhaust, there it is, and then my my levers. So I mean, that's pretty much it with the bike. So far lately I've just been doing a lot of stuff around the house. Like right now I'm in the middle of kind of a project I've been working on. You guys saw the garage already. I insulated it, put a mini split and everything in here. Here's Josie girl. I got this section fenced off because I'm got a bunch of patches of grass, so I've been working on the grass lately. I've also been working on a French drain. I've got to finish this today. But garage keeps letting a lot of water in there when it rains really hard. And I'm assuming the reason's because of the drainage right here. So plan for today is to install the rest of the French drain. For now, I'm going to go ride my motorcycle. This bike is insanely loud. Jesus Christ. So today I'm going to work on my drain, and tomorrow it's supposed to storm. So because it's supposed to storm, I'm going to make a pretty quick video. And there's probably not going to be very many cuts, so there's going to be a lot of time where it's just me not saying anything. I remember when I was freaking 16 and I went on one of those Infiniti G37. Oh, I remember the street. So I used to be on the fire department here, and there was a house up here in the corner, caught fire one day, and I had to go inside and like search for people and stuff. Found 2 dead bodies laying in the bed. It's kind of sad, but I mean, it happens. Right here, this little lot, that's where the house was. They tore it all down and everything. But you can still see like part of the driveway right there. That's where it happened though. House fire, 2 people died. They were both like in their 60s, just laying in bed, sleeping. It was like 2 a.m. I don't even know how to get out of here. Oh. I thought I was gonna be stuck. It also burned the entire side off that house because it got so hot that it just melted all their siding off. That was probably like 6 or 7 years ago. Feels so good out today. I'm so glad I could come out here and ride. Oh. The truck's like in the fucking ditch. Jeez. I just have to be really careful because the cops here will stop you for like anything. So I just have to watch out a little bit. Can't do anything crazy really. We'll take a little stroll through the park. I used to play like baseball and soccer and stuff here when I was really little. Honestly, this place has changed a ton since I left here a couple years ago. storm tomorrow, I'll probably come out and ride a little bit more too. Because tomorrow's supposed to be like 80, which should be amazing. But the big reason I want to get that stuff done today is because when it storms, it's probably going to wash out a lot of that dirt that's in there already. I have that one pipe, it has a bunch of holes in it, so when it rains and stuff, the water will flow through the rocks and then hopefully go in that pipe and then be brought out to the street instead of no pipe there and it just being brought straight into my freaking garage. Having e-clutch is so nice, like in traffic and stuff, because then you're not constantly messing with the clutch and the throttle and everything, and the brakes. Makes it way easier. There's the police department. There's a house down here that caught on fire super recently, actually. Probably like a month ago. It's like a trailer, and they just kept building on additions to it. So it was like super hard to put out. They couldn't really do anything to put it out. Just kept burning. Kind of sucks for the family though. Like that's never good. I would never like wish that upon anybody. Pretty sure I passed it already. I grew up like on the other side of this cornfield, and we always used to like run through it and come over to this side. I don't know if there's a cop that lives there or if he's just chilling, but I think he lives there. Ah, whatever. There's so many cops all over the place here. That's why I can't do anything. Yeah, it's over here. Super recent. They still have like all the caution tape and everything up. Gail's beauty shop. They run a freaking beauty shop out of that house. Just destroyed the whole thing. Jesus. This is the road I grew up on. We used to just be terrorizing this neighborhood, this whole area. There it is right there. Looks way different now. I'm gonna go out this way a little bit. I want to have a little fun. Back here is kind of like more of the country roads and stuff, so I can ride a little bit faster out here, a little bit more crazy, and not have to worry as much about all the freaking cops around here. There's some like super blind curves and stuff like that, so I don't want to go super fast around here, but in a second I'll speed it up a little bit. This house right here caught on fire once too, and luckily other people made it out, but the dogs didn't, unfortunately. So I had to go to that one, and there were like 3 dogs and 2 cats or something like that. And this sounds like bad, but we were kind of just like making a pile of animals in the living room, just so that we can get accountability of them. A little sad, a little traumatic. If that happened to me, I'd probably just off myself. Because that'd be terrible. That would be so bad. Controlling my speed a little bit. Instead of hitting my brakes, downshift down a hill, so you're not wearing out your brakes a ton. These are all brand new houses. Those look super nice. There used to be just a cornfield right here. Here's the interstate. 2 cops are sitting down there. Everybody out here has ponds. One of the things that I wanted when I moved was a freaking pond, and I didn't get it. A pond and at least a 2-car garage. I got a 2-car garage that I had to put a lot of work into. Maybe if you guys like and subscribe and stuff like that, then I'll be able to have a pond soon. Alright guys, well, that's pretty much going to be the end of today. I'm probably gonna like cut through all the super boring parts, but that wasn't as fun. I just wanted to kind of get something out for you guys. Make sure that you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. I post a lot of like similar content, mostly better, honestly. Today I'm just kind of out like having a little bit of fun before I have to go do stuff. I don't really want to leave the city either because I don't want to be gone for very long. So that's kind of like my one way of like reinforcing to myself that I don't want to stay out long, even though I want to. But I kind of need to get this work done. So I mean, it's whatever. Brother! Anyway, hopefully you guys have had a pretty good couple of weeks. Winter kind of sucks for us bike riders because you can't ride in the winter. So I'm thankful to be out. So are all of these other people. Alright, I guess I'll actually end it now. Thanks. Subscribe. Goodbye.